What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we got a whole bunch of tabs up, and I'm sleepy on top of that, so we need to go ahead and dive right in. But I do want to say that if you get any value from my videos, I ask that you like, comment, subscribe. I'm on the road to 100K subscribers in the next 12 months. We have the countdown. I don't know what else to say. Let's just do it. I'm tired. All right, so first up, I actually kind of started off with a bang in this video. I usually like to save the best deals for last so that you guys will watch the whole video, but hey, it's up. So check this out. We have this Milwaukee M12 Fuel Gen 3. Don't confuse this with the Gen 4 because this is the M12 line. The new ones here are the Gen 3. So you see the little LED lights on them. This is a new impact driver, and it produces 1,300 inch-pounds of torque. $99 for this kit. I don't think I need to tell you that that is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. For a new tool, you get a 2 amp hour battery, charger, soft case, $99. There it is. Moving on. I wanted to talk about this tool right here. They do have newer versions of these coming out that have the longer extended head, and it's also a slimmer profile. So if you want to wait for that, it should be out in like a month or so. You can, but if you add a free gift to this, the $64 battery, it brings the price to this down to $150. Let's go ahead and add the cart so you can see that. 150.02. Not a bad deal right there for the high-speed ratchet. Just remember, this produces 30 foot-pounds of torque, whereas the fatter head one, but the newer ones with the slimmer heads, I don't know if the new ones are going to produce 55 foot-pounds. I know the older ones did. And the older ones, I got to say, those extended reach ones, they are really, really top-heavy because of that long, bulky head, and they don't fit everywhere. So I do like this one a lot better, but the new one should be almost perfect. So here's the hoping for that. We have this Ryobi. I don't know why I'm tired. It reminds me of a drywall cutout tool. But yeah, also a rotary. They're basically the same things. The rotary and the drywall cutout tools, they're the same thing. They just have different collet sizes for the bits. The drywall ones usually have larger bits, but this one should work just perfectly fine as either or. Only thing I don't like, this is what I like about the Milwaukee M12, is again the slim profile for the batteries. But you have this bulky battery. But you know, for $45 with a free high output 2 amp hour battery, this is a really good deal, especially if you have Ryobi tools and you already have a charger. So, I mean, the reviews are kind of weird. They're pretty good, you know. But I see what this person did right here. I mean, you could use this for this, but I would have used an oscillating tool. That probably would have worked a little better. But anyway, moving on. I saw a lot of people talking about how good this deal is, particularly in the Facebook group, in the Tool Deals Facebook group. I'm going to disagree with you guys. Well, I just noticed that it is a brushless kit. I apologize. I thought this was a brush kit, but I'm going to show you something better, or marginally better, because over at Tools Direct on eBay, they are still having their 30% off plus Rakuten, right? So if you're new to Rakuten, you use my link in the description to sign up to get an additional $30 cash back on top of the up to 1% cash back that you get for clicking it. It's a free extension. Click the link, download it, and then, you know, click this link and activate it. If you're on a computer or if you're on a phone, you have to open up eBay through the app. So you go to your Rakuten app, then go to eBay, and you got to just type all this stuff in and make sure it's Tools Direct, unfortunately. But yeah, this is a better deal. You know, it's 280, but with a 30% off, it makes it 190. And if you were able to get the extra $30 off, it makes it obviously 160 with the extra 1%. You know, it makes it 150 something. The only thing that's missing here is a flashlight, but you're getting a better hammer drill, a better impact driver, a better oscillating tool, and instead of that one-handed reciprocating saw, you're getting a full-blown reciprocating saw. And this is also a brushless kit with better batteries. You're getting a 4 amp hour high output Ridgid battery, and it's the new one, and a 2 amp hour high output Ridgid battery, which is, you know, again, is the new one. Charger. Only thing over here, Ryobi, has a flashlight, but here's the thing. Because this was bought off of eBay, this has no warranty. This won't have any warranty. If it was in Milwaukee, it would have a warranty. This will not have a warranty. And this one does because it's coming from Home Depot. Me personally, I take my chances with this Ridgid steel. I'll totally still take my chances. Just remember, when it comes from Tools Direct, check this stuff out. If everything is not brand new, hit them up and say, hey, the impact drive was swapped out or whatever, because these are going to be returns. They're all still supposed to be new, but they're supposed to be returns. So if there's anything used or whatever, you need to reach out to Tools Direct and let them know. But this is a better deal than that Ryobi one. All right, moving on. We had this DeWalt 15-gallon air compressor. They don't have the pictures of the DeWalt stuff. $299, but with the 30% off, it's $200. And also with the Rakuten, if you can get that, it's an extra $30 off. Very cheap. At least it's right under $200. And this is the one that it is. This is the compressor. It's $479, $480 at Home Depot. I have this. Works really well. I like it. Yeah. Now, chances are it might come a little beat up and scuffed up and ugly. You need to make sure you test it out. Make sure you open up this little drain plug here. I mean, check all this stuff out, because sometimes these drain plugs snap off. If it's snapped off, you need to reach out to them, tell them, hey, the drain plug snapped off or broke off. It's a common thing. What I did to mine was I went to Harbor Freight and upgraded these wheels and put bigger wheels on there. So when I tilt this thing back, there's no danger when I'm like going over curves, going down steps of this catching. I'd say this is the only downfall to this thing, but it's easier to tilt it back and get everything out of it. So, make sure all the feet are there. There's supposed to be some rubber stoppers on this side. Make sure all of that stuff is there. And if it's scuffed up or whatever, make sure all the fins, everything is together here. You just want to make sure of that. So when you want to get it, you want to break it in. I don't know if it's going to come with the instructions, but you want to make sure everything is strained out and follow the instructions to run this. You got to open this wide open and run it for, I forgot how long, 10 to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. You can find the instructions. Actually, you should be able to find it on Home Depot's website. Let's see. Usually you can. Right here, use a manual. Yeah, there you go, right here. So go and read that, and it'll tell you how to break it in. Make sure you do that, and you should have a solid compressor, man. Make sure you don't leave it filled up for long periods of time in the garage and all that. You'll be good to go. All right, moving on. We have this impact wrench. Let me show you what it is. After you do your 30% off here, because it takes it off in the cart plus your Rakuten, you're looking at worst case scenario $100, like $105 for this bad boy right here. Yeah, this is actually it. The 128. Well, here's the thing about buying DeWalt tools from Amazon. They also don't have any warranties, so DeWalt won't cover it. I mean, some occasions they might, but generally they don't cover stuff that you buy from Amazon. But it's 128 here, and then here it is going to be $100. It's going to be a little cheaper here. I would still roll with Tools Direct personally. And like I said, just check it out. Make sure you test and all that stuff, good stuff when it comes. Another thing they have going on over there is this very good pressure washer. I've had this thing for years. Works great. Easy to use. Much easier than a gas one. I have both a gas which is also a Ryobi, and I have this one. For quick little jobs, I like using this one. Easy to plug up and get going real fast, and it's powerful, man. I've had no problems with this. It actually outperforms the DeWalt electric one, which has a higher ratings, higher PSI and all that. This outperforms it. This is great. Great little thing with the extra 30% off. This is $60, like $59 and some change. Come on, can't beat it. Just make sure when you get it, it comes with these tips. It comes with, I think, 3 or 4 tips. Make sure they're all there, okay? Because, man, those things are easy to lose. Make sure they're there, all right? We have this oscillating tool, but again, man, I just go for that kit. It's oscillating tool, $70 plus 30% cash back. I mean, $30 cash back if you qualify for Rakuten, or 30% and 30% off. Moving on. this Milwaukee Fuel Rotary hammer drill. $299. This is going to be $200 with a 30% off. Plus, again, Rakuten extra $30 off if you new. You know, we have this chainsaw. All right, so this is the chainsaw. It's $269 at Home Depot. What was it here? All right, so 30% off. This is going to be $130. So there you go. There. Then the last two things we have are these Ryobi fans. So $59.99 for this one. It's the Whisper series and it's both also the misting cannon. So $60 plus the extra 30% off, which is a really good deal for that. Then they had another one which was confusing me. Wait. This is weird because earlier today when I was pulling this up, it didn't say Whisper series here. They literally just changed it. Because I was trying to figure out the difference. I'm like, oh, one is the Whisper series and one isn't. Oh, snap. Okay, because I'm like, why is this one $89? Because it comes with a 4 amp hour battery. There you go. I wish they showed the battery, whether it was a high output or not. But yeah, this one comes with a battery, y'all. I think that's a better deal. Oh, and a charger. So yeah, the whole kit. The $89 is much better. So there you go. This is tool only, $59.99, $89.99 for the kit plus 30% off, and they have 10 of them. Have at it. This is an excellent fan. Keep it cool in the summer. There you go. So I think that's it. What's Amazon? Okay, that was it. That's it for today's video. I know I wasn't very enthusiastic. I'm tired as I don't know what. Hopefully it was helpful. And again, if you get any value, I ask you to give the video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.